Hey, welcome. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Raceland coilovers. This is going to be the classic kit, and this is for the 2001 to 2008 or whatever range it is Ford Focus, including the SVT. So on top of the box, it says this way up. So I'm supposed to open it like that? I'm not going to do that. Wait, this also says this way up. How come I got two sides that both say up? I don't know what side. Do I go that way or that way? No side says this way down. Strange. Typical branded box. You got a picture of the coilover. You got a brand name here. You have a picture of a coilover, a part of a coilover, another part of the coilover, the spring, and the top hat, which isn't included in it for this particular vehicle. So in this video, I'm gonna try to give you as much detail, so I will be bringing the camera closer to the suspension and show you the details and any defects that I can find on top of these. Okay, first off, you get a sticker. That is super cool. I am stoked that I got a sticker. I wish all brands gave you stickers. It's actually getting more and more rare these days. Stop. Please read instructions. Fine, I might do that. Please note these are included. Please use them. First impression is very well packaged. And this box is pretty heavy. Okay, let's start off with the back. This is the coil spring. It is branded with Raceland right there. Model number. I can squeeze it a little bit, but not much. I don't know, nothing too special. I think they're powder coated. It's not like a top tier job. It's not like super shiny and polished or anything like that. That's not bad. I mean, there's like a little bit of like orange peel on it. I mean, but that's getting really nitpicky. Okay, these are the adjustable collar for the back. And that just spins. Some kind of little rubber thing right here. And that gives you adjustability. Go taller, go lower. And then it has little grooves for the lock wrench. Hope it comes with the lock wrenching thingy because I don't have one. So that's gonna just sit on there. This thing has a nice weight to it. Don't see any real blemishes or issues with it. Feels like pretty decent quality. I was expecting this to be like really light, like Chinese aluminum stuff. So it is branded Raceland, has the model number there. So these aren't like just some random struts that they go and buy to put together a kit. This top nut looks like a regular nut, nylon nut that you get from Home Depot. So nothing too fancy. I don't know, I kind of wish it was like something cooler. And let's see, just go in and slowly comes out. Some bolts here. Not sure what that's for, but I think that's what's on the paper. Okay, we got a box here labeled Raceland. Really nice box. I mean, there's a little ding on the box, but I mean with the logo and black logo on the black box, looks kind of cool. So before we go any further, if you're looking to buy a Raceland suspension, I have a link in the description. If you're gonna buy anything from Raceland, I would appreciate that you use the link. I do get a small commission because it is an affiliate link if you decide to use it. Now my plug is done. Let's figure out how to get this thing open. So inside this box with the nice Raceland black logo is this one with another Raceland logo but in white. So it's a box inside of a box. And it says, ever ask why our coilover kits are so inexpensive? We cut out the middleman, the dealer, to provide customers wholesale pricing. On top of that, you get a lifetime warranty and satisfaction guaranteed. I'm gonna open this. I don't want to break the box. It's so pretty. Oh, I ripped the box. I wasn't expecting this at all. I didn't order this. It's a mini keychain. That is so cool. Look at that. It functions. I wonder what it's valved at. I wonder what the spring rate is. That'd be kind of cool. I could calculate the spring rate. That is really cool. I'm gonna add that to my keychain. Now we got the locking collars. These are also branded with Raceland. So we got two big ones and a small one. So there we go. We got the main strut assembly. And so there was a collar here. So I guess that's the adjustment to go from one size to another. They probably use this shock in multiple vehicles. And this is heavy. So there is no top hat. This top nut, again, it just looks like a nylon nut you'd get at Home Depot, so nothing fancy there. Be kind of cool if they gave you a cooler looking nuts for the top. Okay, and you got thingies, a spring, a boot. I did not realize it came with the boots. That's really neat. I also didn't realize it came with bump stops either. So you got the bump stop thingy there. It feels like it's made out of like a silicone. So it's not like a foam or whatever. It's just nice silicone. Kind of like what they use on engine mount inserts and stuff like that. Feels like that kind of material. This is a spacer thing between the main spring, and this is your I don't know what they call this. It's not a preload spring, but it's helper spring. I don't know. So you can't really set a good preload on it the way this is set up, like you can with other suspensions. But with this being on there, at least you can get it where when the suspension drops down, your spring's not gonna fall out of place. This will hold the spring where it needs to be. Let's go down. Also, again, pretty firm. Got another ring here. That's for underneath the helper spring, keeper spring, whatever it's called. The actual strut itself is threaded, and that's where you're gonna make your height adjustments. This setup, all you can really do is adjust the height. There's no dampening adjustment on the Classic series. So whatever is valved at, that's what you get. The spring rates are a bit stiffer than OEM. Yeah, let's look at the strut real quick while we're here. So you got your brackets for your brake line here. Bracket for something there, I don't know what that's for. Must be important if they put it there. Again, Raceland branded. So they're doing a really good job with branding their stuff. Everything on here is branded with Raceland. Original like feel of quality actually feels really good. It actually feels a lot better than what I was expecting. I was expecting this to feel more like Max speeding rods quality. Also, do not put any kind of wrenches on there. It will void your warranty. One thing I'm not sure a big fan of, these are like little spacer things between the two springs and where the spring sits on, is plastic. So I don't know how well that's going to hold up long term. Kind of wish it was metal, but the plastic shouldn't make as much noise. This is what it looks like again, all put together. So there is no adjustment here. It's just all your only adjustments right here. All right, so there will be more videos on this. Once I get them up, I will link the videos at the end of this video. Overall impressions, I'm kind of impressed with the quality. I thought it was gonna be a more like lightweight China aluminum stuff. Not something that actually felt like it was quality. And I'm really stoked with my keychain. Overall, this does seem like a good value. I'm gonna talk about the value of these. I mean, overall, these are a pretty decent value. I am gonna talk about the differences between these, and I'm gonna compare them to the suspension I have on my Sentra, which is a much higher quality suspension than what this is. Show you what the differences is and see, and you can kind of decide what you feel is right for you. So far I really don't see anything wrong with these. Although even though their name says Raceland, I don't feel like these are really meant for people looking to go take the car to the track and race it. Especially with like no preload adjustment, no dampening adjustments. All you get is ride height. These things are designed for people just wanting to lower the car. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's a lot of people out there that just want to lower the car. They don't want to race their car. They don't want horrible ride quality, but ride quality isn't the top of their list. They just want the car to be lowered, and I think that's who this market is for. And I think Raceland actually does a pretty good job explaining that this is not a race product. This is a product to get your car lowered. What's great about Raceland is they do have a lot of customer support, and they got videos on installing this stuff in a whole bunch of vehicles, including the one I'm doing. If you got any questions, let me know. Aloha, peace out, catch you in the next one.